What's up, everybody? Welcome back Khan Eats Show. I am Khan and I'm gonna make me something to eat because I'm hungry. I intermittent fast, I only eat like once a day or at least in between like an 8 or 6 hour window, you know what I mean? So I haven't ate all day and I'm getting hungry over here. So what I'm gonna make today, I'm gonna make a low carb version, keto friendly version of In-N-Out burgers. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a double and I'm gonna do animal style fries. How you like them apples, huh? Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be keto friendly and low carb. And you know what? I got this bread from Thin Slim, a link down below from the Amazon link down below, that has 0 net carbs. So there you go. It's not gonna be a burger per se, but it's gonna be a patty melt. Okay? But look at this shit. It's gonna be my best take on In-N-Out's double but low carb and keto friendly. Okay? So let's get at it. Alright? We're gonna do animal style. Alright? So we gotta caramelize our onions. So I have a red onion here. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in half. I think we're gonna use only half. Will be good. Like that. Like that. And we chop. Easy peasy. Lemon motherfucking squeezy. Turn this on. Tablespoon of butter there. Extra virgin olive oil, another tablespoon or so. Swirl that around. In goes our red onions. Turn the flame down to medium low. We're gonna slow cook these so they caramelize all the sugars out of them. Even though we don't put sugar in here, the red onions already have sugars in there and we're gonna cook all that sugar down. When we do that, they caramelize. Come all over your eyes. Caramelize. Yeah. We're gonna let that slow cook down like that. Leave it there. It's good. Tomatoes here, so we're gonna thinly slice these. Make it 4 slices, 4 thin slices. You can make it thick as thin as you want. And some lettuce. Cut the butt off because we don't eat the butt. And we're gonna put it in here and we're gonna rinse them off and clean them off and everything. Alright, now we're gonna make our secret sauce, or what do they call it? Bread sauce or a Thousand Island like sauce, you know? So get some mayonnaise. I got this mayonnaise here. It's avocado oil only. Better, it doesn't have soybean oil. Eat a lot of soybean, then it raises estrogen levels. So then you get man titties. So yeah, you wonder why you have man tits? It's because of all that fucking soy you've been eating. So 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Let's make 1/2 cup. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of mustard. And a tablespoon of relish. And I think the secret to this is, you ready? Sour cream. A tablespoon of sour cream. I think that's a secret they do at In-N-Out. I can't prove it, but add some salt. Pinch of salt. A little bit of pepper. Now give it a good mix. Give it a little taste. Maybe a little more relish. And a little bit more ketchup. That's good. There you go. It's perfect. Okay, to make our animal style fries, what we're gonna do is instead of using French fries like fries do, we're gonna use cauliflower. How about that? Let's see how this goes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season this and I'm gonna air fry it. So yeah, it's gonna be tender, a little dry like fries, and it's gonna have cheese and animal style shit on it. Yeah, let's see how it works. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great. Let's do this. I'm excited for this. You season it with salt, some pepper, some paprika, give it a little color, some garlic powder, and a little chili powder. I know this isn't seasoning for animal style fries at In-N-Out, but give it some seasoning. I'm air fry the cauliflower, animal style cauliflower in this air fryer here. So what you want to do is spray this with non-stick spray a little bit. And just put in our cauliflower. Spray a little bit more of non-stick. I have this avocado oil spray. We'll spray a little bit more onto the cauliflower. So coat it a little bit with oil. Power it on. Yeah, crisp is the air frying function. We'll do 400 degrees Fahrenheit for, let's go 15 minutes. Start, go. Our caramelized onion's been caramelized. It's really good now. So we just set it to the side for now. Leave it there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna toast up our bread and we're gonna cook up our burger. Alright? So turn on this cast iron pan right here. Turn this on, this pan on here. We're gonna butter up our toast. We'll put some avocado oil in our cast iron here. About a tablespoon or two. Butter up this side. Put this toast in. Put butter on this side. Flip it over. Put butter on this side. Turn this down to low. We don't want it to cook too fast. We're gonna turn our cast iron skillet here down to medium low. I got some 80-20 patties here, 80% beef, 20% fat. Season it a little bit with some salt, some pepper, some garlic. SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Put it into a cast iron. You want to put a nipple indent, dimple, so it doesn't round up. We're gonna season this side now with salt, and pepper, and garlic powder. You can baste the burger here like this, so it gets the butter flavor. Flip our toast over now. It's been about 3-4 minutes. We can flip it now. One toast is done. You put a cheese now, or you can put later now. It depends on you. I'll put it on now. I'm using cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese today instead of American cheese, where In-N-Out uses American cheese. It's almost like In-N-Out, not quite. It goes on our other cheese. So I think we have one patty done. One bread is done here. We're gonna take some of our secret sauce here, put it on the bottom. Take some of our lettuce. Take some of our tomatoes. There we go. There goes one patty. Ooh, that's a small drop. Here goes patty number 2. Our toast is done there. We'll put on some secret sauce here, like that. Some caramelized onions on top. There you go. Low carb, keto friendly In-N-Out burger. As you can see, our cauliflower is crispy as hell, I think. I don't know, let's see. We'll take this, put it in a plate like this. Like so. Put on 2 pieces of cheese there. I hope that's hot enough. Let's put this in the microwave so the cheese will melt a little bit. There you go, the cheese melted a little bit there. Let's put on our secret sauce here. Okay, first let's try out the animal style cauliflower fries. Pretty good though. Put more secret sauce on there. Wow, it's really good. It's very close. I mean, it's not fries, but it's pretty good. Wow, it's amazing. Grilled onions, great. Cheese, great. Secret sauce, great. On top of cauliflower, roasted. I guess it's roasted, air fried. That's really good. Yeah, I can eat that. That is very good. Alright, let's try our burger now, our double with the keto friendly low carb, zero net carb bread. Bread is not the same as In-N-Out, but still pretty good. Maybe not enough lettuce. I didn't put enough lettuce. It's fire. Tastes good. That's fire. Delicious. I probably should have made more grilled onions. It wasn't enough. If you don't have low carb, zero net carb bread, just wrap it with more lettuce. That's all. Still very bomb. Or if you go to In-N-Out, just order without the bread and say I want it protein style or wrapped in lettuce or something like that. And they'll do that for you. That's my take on a low carb, keto friendly In-N-Out double and In-N-Out animal style fries. That's not fries, it's cauliflower. It's fire. Fucking fire. Try this out. Air fry your cauliflower. Good shit. Thank you for watching, y'all. This is Con Eats, and I'm eating low carb, keto friendly In-N-Out double and animal style fries. Please like or dislike this video, comment down below, share this video, please subscribe, and if you do all that, if I reach 500 subscribers, 2 lucky people can get picked to get each $20 gift cards to Visa Master. There you go. So thank you for watching, and God bless. Take care. Word.